Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading on a Friday. This is the 10th of May. Again, kind of lackluster trading today. A couple things here. I have a class coming up next Thursday on a very exciting topic, gaps, which represent probably the best supply and demand imbalance. So I'll be doing that a week for that's on Thursdays. That would be an afternoon class, 4 Pacific, 7 Eastern. I'm already got half of it is already full. Remember, I'm limiting to 30, so I already got half of it just the first day. So go ahead and register in the link below, and I'll do that next Thursday. Okay, very exciting topic. All right, let's get it right into the charts. Not a lot really to go over. We've kind of been moving higher and just not anything changing in the way of we're getting closer to the all-time highs, which is again kind of surprising to a lot of folks. But it is what and not a surprise really, because sentiment was so bad last week. We're right up against the highs, not that far away, and not anything. There are no quality supply zones left. So if we get we got a big CPI number next week, PPI. We got some retail earnings. Retail. I think we got one of the bigger, Target, Walmart, and Home Depot reporting next week. But the main event is going to be the CPI on Wednesday. So we'll see what happens with that. Today is just very, very meandering, and you can see we took out that high here, 51.50, and it moved up another 100 points. But now getting into all the chop here. Interestingly, under the surface, there's nothing happened today. The mega caps are underperforming. You can see the NASDAQ still not even close to up here. So, it's interesting because if you look under the surface, all of the mega caps, Apple kind of stuck in no man's land, Tesla, even NVIDIA was kind of just did nothing, sitting around 900. So all the mega cap technology stocks are really not doing anything. And in fact, a lot of them were getting hit. Any stocks that didn't live up to their expectations and earnings are getting punished. We had Akamai get hit. We had Shopify just get slaughtered this week. So a lot of stocks getting hit under the surface. So it's, again, kind of lots of dispersion going on throughout these underneath the stock market. The Dow, again, 30 stocks with just a few of them going up, brings the level of brings the Dow up. So we're up against some levels here on the Dow. Russell just, kind of just chopping around, nothing really going on. Bitcoin, interestingly, coming into some levels down around 60K. VIX at 12.5. That every time it's come down in here, it's, doesn't mean the market can't go higher, but kind of, again, the market struggles to get any, we could go up another couple percentage, but I don't see the market running away from us here with the VIX at 12.5. Maybe another couple percentage points higher, but again, I've never seen the market just kind of run away when the VIX is this low, but you never know. If we get a soft number next week, if we get a hot number, then I think, VIX jumps right back up and the market sells off again. So, rates are kind of steady here at 4.5, nothing going on. In fact, the rates did rally today a little bit. They rose a little bit with the 10-year in the, coming off of that level there and moving higher. So rates kind of just been, again, just meandering about. Dollar, similarly, nothing going on there to really talk about that we haven't talked about. So there's, trading in the currency markets have been kind of tough right now. So there's nothing really that we need to discuss here. We did have, another move. Silver caught a bid, broke out of that consolidation. had a nice bid, came right off again. Volatility very, very high in metals. Yesterday, gold was doing nothing and then finally played catch up to the silver trade. So that's interesting to see if gold actually goes out and makes another new high after this big pullback and a lot of consolidation, which could be a tell also on maybe geopolitics or whatever. Going to be interesting to see. Copper similarly, just still wanting to go higher. Had an interesting reversal day today, where it looked like it was going to go much higher earlier and then just reverse down. So see if that means anything. I think big, that's a big reversal candle right there. We'll see if that actually means anything or is just kind of a one-off. And then we had a nat gas, still looks positive to me. We took we bought some calls, TTS. We bought some calls in Boyle, anticipating that we are going to break out as long as we hold here. By the way, around this area here, notice we did pull back, but didn't collapse like we have in other prior. Anytime we have these big rallies, the thing just falls apart. So as long as we can hold, I believe around 225, I think the breakout is still good. Just call it a consolidation. Oil, nothing there. And then we had a grain report that also I've been talking about the grain markets kind of bottoming here. Beans holding 12. Wheat looks like that's ready for a breakout. That looks really good to me on the long side. Now you can see there's a lot of room to the upside, and then corn also looks like that has a lot of maybe room up to a bushel, kind of breaking out of this consolidation as well. So that kind of sums it up. I'm going to get out of here. So again, sign up for the class, sign up for the newsletter, and have a great weekend. And I will see you on Tuesday after the PPI and see what happens. But overall, it looks like the market still want to go up, but that could change on Tuesday after the PPI and CPI. Okay, take care.